firstly discuss the introduction. The skeletal system is made up for the bone that give the structure of the human body. Bone protect and support the vital organs and work with the muscles to help the body move. Bone marrow is the soft inner part of the many bones of bodies. Definition of skeletal systems. The skeletal system support and protect the body while giving itself and form. What is the bone? Bone tissue is the hard tissue as type of specific connective tissue. It has a honeycomb-like matrix internally. It wish to give the bone rigidity. Bone tissue is made up for the different types of the bone cell. Example: compact bone, spongy bones, and bone marrow, peristenium. Then function of the bones. Function of the bone first supports. Bone provide a fiber for the body by the supporting soft tissue and providing the protection. Then second, protections. Bone protect many internal organs from injury. For example, cranial bone protect the brain and vertebra surrounded the spinal cord. Rib cage enclose the heart, lungs, and hip bones protect the internal reproductive organs. Then third function of movement. Skeletal muscles attached to bone. When muscles contract, they pull on bones and together by pull movements. Next, movements. Skeletal muscles attached to bone. When muscles contract, they pull on bone and together they produce movements. Next function, mineral homeostasis. Bone tissue stores several minerals, especially calcium, phosphates, which are important in muscles contraction and activity nerve activities. Then next, blood cell formations. The bone marrow is responsible for blood cell formation. The next, storage. Mineral and lipid are stored within the bone materials. Next, division of the skeletal system. The skeletal system are divided into 206 bones. So they are divided into two groups: axial skeletal system and appendicular skeletal system. Axial skeletal system, they are present 28 bones, cranial bones 8 bone presented, then facial bone 14 bones, and then ear ossicles present in 6 bones, and hyoid bone 1 bones, and ribs cage 25, group of the 25 bones. Then vertebral columns 26 bones. There are present the 26 bones. And next, we are discuss the skull bones. The skull bones, they are present the cranial 8 bones, is ear ossicle 6 bones, then facial 14 bones. Then first cranial bones. First cranial bones में first frontal first bone, then parietal 2 bones, then temporal 2, occipital 1, sphenoid 1, then 2 temporals हो गया, then ethmoid 1, then sphenoid 1. Then ear ossicles, they are present the 6 bone, first 2 incus, 2 malleus, then 2 stapes. There next, after first facial bone are discussed, 14 bones. First lacrimal 2 bones, then next 2 nasal bone, 2 nasal bone, next 1 vomer bones, next inferior concha 2, zygomatic 2 bones, and maxillar 2 bones, mandible bones, and palatine. Then we are discuss about the ribs cavage. Here आपका ribs bones. They are present at 25 bones. They are divided into first sternum, or then there are the present 24 ribs. So they are divided 3 parts: true ribs, false ribs, and floating ribs. And true ribs 1 to 4 pairs, false ribs at 9 10 pairs, and floating 11 to 12. The vertebral column is divided into cervical 7, thoracic 12, lumbar 5, and sacrum 1, then coccygeal 1. ठीक है. Next are divided appendicular skeletal system into 2 parts: shoulder girdles and pelvic girdles. Shoulder girdles में आपका 2 scapula, 2 clavicles. Then आपका pelvic girdles में 2 innate bones. Then lower part is lower limb is divided into 2 humerus, 2 radius, 2 ulna, 2 carpal radius, ulna, 16 carpal, 60, and 10 metacarpals. Then 14 phalanges. Then lower limb, 2 femur, 2 tibia, 2 fibula, 2 patella, 14 tarsals, then 10 metatarsals, then 28 phalanges. And thank you.